Welcome to Sonals Food Channel. If you like my recipes, do like, share, subscribe and leave your feedback. Today I'll show you how to make rice kheer or rice pudding using low-fat milk. For this you'll need 1/4 cup basmati rice, 1 to 2 tablespoon ghee, 1 liter 2% fat milk, or you can use whole milk if you want to make a creamier kheer, 8 tablespoons sugar, mixed dry fruits or nuts, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and kesher optional. Begin by soaking the rice in water for 10 minutes. Put enough water so that the rice is completely under the water. Then drain away the water after 10 minutes and have your rice washed. After that, grind the rice into a coarse powder as you can see here. Make sure you do not powder it fine. It should be a coarse powder. Now in a pan, put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can put only 1 tablespoon if you don't want to add that much of ghee. And then add the coarse ground rice powder that we had just made after soaking the basmati rice. And saute this powder for just a couple of minutes so that it is well coated with the ghee. Now you can see that the rice and the ghee mixture has started bubbling. At this point, you can go ahead and add the milk into it. So I'm adding 2% fat milk because I want to make a low fat kheer, but if you use whole milk it will give you a more creamier and more tasty kheer. But as this recipe is for low fat kheer, I am using low fat milk. So once you have added the milk, keep the flame on medium to a bit high till the milk starts boiling, and you should keep stirring this every 10 minutes. Now the milk has started boiling, so you should lower the gas to about medium and then let this cook until the kheer has become nice and thick and the rice has cooked properly. So this would take about 40 to 45 minutes. Now you can see that the rice has started fluffing up. After about 40 minutes, this is how the kheer has become. It has thickened up. If you would have used whole milk, it would have thickened up more. And if you want to use condensed milk in addition to it, you can use that too. So once the rice is nicely cooked and the kheer has attained a nice thick texture, add the sugar into it. I have added 5 tablespoons of sugar at this point, and then I mixed it well together and let it cook again for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add up the chopped nuts. I have added some cashews, pistachios and almonds here, and then about half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder really gives the kheer a nice flavor, and make sure you add the cardamom powder at the end of the process, otherwise the flavor just goes away. So once you have added the sugar, nuts and cardamom powder, let it cook again for about 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame or a medium flame, and let it just boil for another few minutes. I went ahead and added a couple of tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar quantity as per your desired sweetness level, and then let it boil just for another a couple of minutes. Now the kheer is started boiling, so turn off the gas, and here you have the yummiest, creamiest kheer made with low fat milk, ready to eat with some awesome puris.